Add text to the beginning or end of all cells in Excel. Hi, this is Extend Office. Today we will talk about how to prepend or append the same specific text to every cell within a selection in Excel. First, let's explore how to add text to cells using a clever feature in Excel called Flash Fill. This tool automatically completes your data entries by recognizing patterns. Let's say you want to prepend doctor to names listed in column A. Start by typing an example with doctor added in the first cell of column B. Press Ctrl and E. And Excel's Flash Fill will automatically populate the rest of the cells in the column, prefixing each name with doctor. To add HR after the names, you can use the same approach. To insert specific text or characters at the beginning of cells, you can use 3 different Excel formulas. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to use the first formula to prepend class A to names in column A. Select an empty cell, enter an equal sign, then type class A within quotation marks, follow it with an ampersand, and finally select cell A2. Press Enter. As you see, the formula prepends class A to the name in cell A2. You can change class A to any text you wish to prepend, just remember to enclose it in quotation marks. Then, double-click on the fill handle of the formula cell to apply the formula to below cells. To append text to the end of cells, simply reverse the formula structure by placing the text you want to add after the cell reference. For example, to add class A at the end of the content in cell A10, reverse the formula as this. The AI Aid feature in Kutools for Excel is a significant leap forward in smart data processing. On the Kutools tab, select AI Aid. To prepend text like doctor to your cells, simply select the specific cells. And in the input box, enter Add Doctor before every selected cell. And click the Send button. Kutools AI Aid will instantly understand and present an Execute button. Click it, and the changes will be applied immediately. To append text, such as HR to the end of all selected cells, adjust your request to add HR after every selected cell. Click the Send button. And click the Execute button. If the result is not what you expected, and you wish to undo the last changes made by AI, click the Unsatisfied button to revert your actions. Kutools AI Aid will then provide instructions for you to manually achieve the desired result. To use the AI Aid, find the download link for Kutools for Excel in the video description or on our website. In this section, we'll explore a straightforward VBA method to add specified text directly to the beginning or end of all cells within one or multiple selected ranges. First, select the cells where you will add the specified text. Hold down the Alt and F11 keys in Excel to open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications window. Click Insert, Module, and enter the VBA code in this module window. You can copy the VBA code from the tutorial provided in the video descriptions. Note that this code prefixes all selected cells with the XCL followed by a hyphen. Before applying it to your worksheet, ensure you replace this sample text with the actual text you require. Now, press the F5 key to run the macro. And the value EXCL and a hyphen are prepended to the contents of all selected cells. To add a hyphen followed by XS to the content of the cells, start by selecting the cells. And press Alt and F11. In the module window, reverse the value order. And change the added text to hyphen XS. Press F5, and the value hyphen XS will be appended to the contents of all selected cells. Kutools for Excel's Add Text tool is specifically designed to efficiently add specified text to any position within your cells. To add 2024 after the months in the list, select the months first. And click Kutools. Text. Add text. In the Add Text dialog box, enter 2024 with a space before it. This prevents the year from merging with the month in your cells. And select the After Last Character option. You can immediately preview the result in the Preview pane. If you need to add text before cells, just select the Before First Character option. Click OK to apply the addition. To download Kutools for Excel, find the download link in the video description or on our website. Custom formatting in Excel is a powerful feature that allows you to visually modify cell displays without actually altering the cell's original content. For instance, to display with the doctor prepended to each name in the list, select the names, and hold down the Ctrl and 1 keys to open the Format Cells dialog. In the Format Cells dialog, on the Number tab, select Custom. In the Type input box, enter an @ symbol, which is a placeholder for text. Then, since I want to add doctor before the names, at the left of the @ symbol, enter doctor and a space within quotes. Click OK, and we will get doctor before each name without altering the original cell content. To display each number with the unit kg appended in the list, select the cells, and press Ctrl and 1. Select Custom. In the Type input box, enter a #sign, which is a placeholder for number, and at the right of the placeholder, enter a space and kg within quotes. Click OK, and we will get kg appended to each number, but the actual values in the cells remain pure number suitable for calculations. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube.